This intriguing niche has proven to be incredibly successful, generating over $100,000 in sales. Hi guys, so I have an exciting topic to discuss that will surely spark your interest. I will be sharing the top 5 lucrative side hustles that will help you make money online when combined with AI. If you're ready to explore some amazing opportunities, let's get started. All right, guys. So first we have personalized children's storybooks. These beautifully crafted books come in various genres, from nursery rhymes to magical adventures. Imagine creating a storybook tailored specifically to each child, featuring their name and captivating illustrations. So guys, I found this store on Etsy called My Magic Name Bookstore have made a staggering $1 million in sale, with their top selling books reaching over 951 sales and earning is over $49,000. Could you believe that? So guys, you can easily create these beautiful books using softwares, AI software like Adobe Photoshop, Midjourney, or Blue Willow, or even Leonardo AI and Canva to create your lovely artwork. So in order to create and sell your books, you can use lulu.com or mixam.com. I'm not sure if I'm saying this right. They make it easier to create and print your books. They have different types of books as well as different sizes. You can customize the book color, the paper weight, the book type, and so much more. Okay, so next we have personalized journal. This is a word I can't say properly. By utilizing tools such as Midjourney, Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, or Canva, even Leonardo AI, you can design unique journal covers and even include personal messages or names on these journals. So imagine the joy your customers will experience when they receive a journal made just for them. One Etsy seller made an impressive $32,000 from selling a single journal, just one journal, while another seller raked in over $32,000 in total with customized journals. Guys, customers can add their personal touch to these notebooks, making each one truly special for their customers. Now let's talk about portraits. So in the past, getting someone to do a painting like this, it would require hiring a professional painter. But now, thanks to the power of AI, recreating stunning portraits has become easier than ever. For example, this breathtaking wedding oil painting has generated over $100,000 in sales. You can recreate similar masterpieces using Adobe Photoshop or Canva, using a wedding photo as your base. Additionally, you can leverage print-on-demand services like Printify to bring your artwork to life. So don't limit yourself to the traditional portraits, guys. This intriguing faceless portrait niche has also proven to be incredibly successful, generating over $100,000 in sales since 2022. So customers can choose their own backgrounds, making it a truly unique personal experience. So guys, if you're truly enjoying this, please feel free to subscribe to my video, please. Okay, so moving on, let's talk about resumes. Did you know that selling resume templates can be a highly profitable venture? Okay, so just take a look at this shop, which has made a staggering of $300,000 in just 3 years with only 61 items in store. So you can tap into this opportunity by using ChatGPT to guide you on the essential features for different type of resumes. Okay, so once you have the content, you can create visually appealing designs using Midjourney or Blue Willow or Leonardo AI or any other design AI. Finally, bring it all together in Canva and sell it as a template. The demand for unique resume templates is on the rise, guys. So why not capitalize on this? So guys, next we have fonts. Did you know that selling fonts can be extremely lucrative? So as demonstrated by this Etsy listing that has generated over $58,000 in just 2 years. So guys, imagine creating your own font styles and offering them to a worldwide audience. It's a creative way to make a significant income. Okay, so guys, to create fonts, there are so many font tools, but the one that I actually fell in love with is Adobe Firefly, and I have went through overview of Adobe Firefly in this video here, but you can look at it after this video. Okay guys, so if you are interested in creating your very own digital products, we've got you covered. So check out our free guide that will walk you through the entire process from product to creation to selling strategies. Okay, so guys, we've covered some side hustles under the digital products. So now it's your turn. Let us know in the comments below which of these opportunities resonates with you the most. Okay, and are you ready to dive into personalized products and start making money online? So share your thoughts with me below, and I will definitely join in the conversation. Okay guys? So guys, if you found this content to be valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting digital business ideas. So guys, if you truly enjoyed this video and you would like to get more ideas of digital products that you can create, I have created so many digital product listings on this channel. Okay, so feel free to watch this one right here. And remember, the world of entrepreneurship is brimming with possibilities. Until next time, stay inspired and keep hustling, guys.